on the record.
All right, good afternoon. We're on the record in case number D206173113C, Simpson versus Maxwell. How is everybody doing today?
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Mr. Harris, may I please have your appearance?
Yes, Your Honor. Kurt Harris, Burner 5354. I'm Gregory Simpson. I'm in public capacity and my client is online, Your Honor.
All righty, and may I please get Ms. Six?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Lisa Zick, 11726, appearing for Todd Leventhal on behalf of Kristen Maxwell, who is also present via Blue James.
All right, welcome. Where is my order from December 1st? Ms. Sick, you were supposed to provide, to prepare it.
Your Honor, I'm going to tell you that shortly after that hearing, I got COVID, and so that slipped through my
cracks.
cracks.
Come on, that's no excuse. I'm tired of hearing it.
So I can add that back to my to-do list and get that to you probably within 7 days.
That sounds
I can
good.
have it to Kurt.
That
Thank
sounds
you.
good. Are you feeling better?
I am.
Good.
I luckily did not have to be hospitalized, but I was out for almost 16 days.
Woo.
Yeah, I had a positive test for 12 days. It was rough leading right up to Christmas, but
did you at least get to enjoy Christmas?
I did.
Okay.
I did.
All right.
I had a quarantine period ended like December 18th. So I was like right around the holidays. I was able to enjoy time with my family.
Yeah.
So I apologize for that, but Kurt, I'll send you something over.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now I'm sitting here. I'm trying to.
What I do recall from the last hearing is that we had continued it to today. We were waiting on records from CVS, and what I can tell Your Honor is that despite multiple attempts by not only myself but Mr. Leventhal's office, we have not been able to obtain those records. We have spoken to an individual at CVS, both at the store locally where Kristen receives her prescriptions and at the corporate level. We have sent faxes, we have sent emails, we have said, hey, our next move is going to be to file a motion to compel, and we still have not gotten any response.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, the problem we have is Mom is still testing positive, isn't she?
Mom's not on the patch program anymore.
All right, I didn't think she was.
After she gave birth to her infant baby, and there was no issue
that
there.
Gorgeous baby. Come on. The baby can't talk. I want to see the baby. I'm just joking. Baby's probably sleeping, so that's fine.
Yeah, but after there was no issues with the infant baby, and no CPS involvement, Your Honor removed her from the patch program.
Okay. All right, that's right. I remember now that I did that, but I don't have an order showing that. Usually those orders remind me.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
that was not at the December hearing. That had happened several hearings ago.
Yeah. All right. So what do we do here? Because I'm kind of, I'm like Dad. I want to see what her prescriptions are so that I can see what is there.
Yeah, and so, Your Honor, we even went so far as to have Miss Maxwell go into CVS and ask them if they could provide.
Here's what I want. I want her to go get her medical records, because for her to be taking these drugs, she has to have a prescription. So she can get her medical records, which will show all the medications as prescribed to her, and provide that to Mr. Harris. Mr. Harris can do the research to find out if there's anything there that would normally test positive for meth. We do not need the entire medical records. We don't need to know what these things are for, but but we do want to see what it is, how much she's supposed to be taking, and I want Mom to go do a drug test today.
Okay. Your Honor, we had previously provided as an exhibit to the court a letter from her cardiologist with a breakdown, but we can get an updated letter.
Yeah, when was that one filed, please?
That would have been, and I don't have Mr. Leventhal's entire file in front of me, but that would have been a supplement in advance of hearing with all of the research.
All right.
Yeah,
she's the defendant. Okay, yeah. Okay, well, the only thing it says here is whatever this medication is. I'm not going to attempt to pronounce it. Me and Greek me and these languages don't work very good.
Okay, but what I'm asking is would a letter from the doctors on the doctor's letterhead with a list of prescriptions and date of prescribed, would that be sufficient, or does the court want something more
as long
specific?
as the doctor signs it and he's willing to put his butt in a seat saying, yeah, this is what she's taking.
Okay.
You're too young to have heart problems, Mom.
It's from a cardiomyopathy from a virus.
Yeah, I know I'm giving you a hard time about this,
Okay.
but we are going to do this. You know, and what this is now. See, here's the problem that I'm having. You've got certain drugs that will give a false positive for amphetamines, but they're not supposed to give a false positive for methamphetamine. That is its own deal. You test positive for meth, you test positive for amphetamines as well, because that's the metabolite. But it does not, it very seldom goes the other way around. So that is the only reason why I've got concern on this. But I do want Mom to come down here to this ATI by the courthouse down at Pecos and between Stewart and Charleston. And she may want to hang up and just go ahead and head down right now to get there.
That was going to be my next question, seeing as it's 10 to 3.
Yeah,
and
it's
we know
10
what
to
time
3, and then let's put, Mom, do you think you can get this from your doctor within 30 days, or do we need to put it out further than that?
Your Honor, I believe we can get this within 30 days. Her doctor has been pretty diligent in responding to requests like this to our office. So
Okay, all right. Then it's,
So you want to do 30 days while we get the drug test back that fast?
oh yeah, we'll have the drug test back probably by the end of the week.
Let's do February 10th at 2 p.m.
We're going to do February 10th at 2 p.m. And let's hopefully get everything worked out here. Mom, we're going to get off the phone real fast. Yeah, Lisa, will you please do the order for today? That way if the doctor needs to see a court order, we've got it.
yes, Your Honor, and I will also get the order from December 1st done as well.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it. Mom, go get drug tested. We don't want you to be dinged for not getting there today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.